welcome back to another video, traders. And if you're new here, I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, so stick around. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you know whenever there's a new video, go ahead and check those links below. And let me know what you think about this video in the comments section, guys. All right, let's get into it. Today we're looking at Salesforce CRM. The key for me on this chart is the break of this downtrend from the all-time high at 284.5 on September 2nd. As you can see, we broke it just a couple of days ago, and we're kind of confirming it today after testing the top of the growth trend as well and staying up. The gap has been filled. That's the big thing for me, because we have tested this a couple of times. We've even sort of popped and dropped twice a few months ago. But we had this huge gap to fill from the run up to this all-time high, and until recently, until we finally fell below 234, where we've kind of been consolidating since beginning of December. So there was still a bit of a gap to fill there. So I think that's the big difference between the last two times that we've tested and tried to break out of this downtrend. So the gap has been filled, and we've also had a full 5 months of consolidation, because this was a huge move. It just exploded off of this earnings report from August, from 210 within a few days all the way up to 284. You know, almost a 40-50% jump in a couple of days for a big name. It's pretty massive. So it's no surprise that we had this pullback and 5 solid months of consolidation that we have had. But now that we have, I think this is time. It's ready to finally make this move. Also, the Slack acquisition, which was announced right around November 24th or 25th, was followed by this big drop. And I think people have had now a couple of months to sort of accept that, forget about it, price it into the stock here. And revenue growth, we're just going to zoom out real quick to look at this, because it's been so solid over the past 5 years. You know, just consistently growing revenue, 24, 30, 40, 30, 60, 70, 70, 75, 90, 60, 70, and now the last two reports, $1.44, which is the one that led to the huge pop in August, September, and the most recent one back in late November, the best one they've ever had, $1.74. The next earnings report is coming up in a couple of weeks, later in February on the 23rd. So I think this is the real move, the break of the downtrend. And you know, now that we've consolidated here into these levels, we've been so low for a little while, below 231, and now finally we're out of this price range, above the long-term growth trend on this chart, and obviously breaking that downtrend, which is key. I just want to see some higher highs and higher lows to confirm continuation on this move, but I think there's a lot of upside potential. I'm not saying we're going to revisit 284 anytime super soon, but it's possible. But I think 260s in the near term, certainly 250 in the next couple of weeks or so, or next week or so. But I'd look to see a big move if we can continue to make higher highs and higher lows. I think there's a lot of upside for CRM now that it's had time to consolidate and fill this gap. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, comment below. I read all the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe. And if you haven't already, check out my other channel, Charting Trends for Trading Tesla. We do Tesla analysis over there every day. So if you like my analysis or you follow Tesla, check that out too. Thanks, guys.